Hi there. Welcome to our channel, your one-stop destination for healthy and delicious cooking. Are you tired of the same old boring diet meals? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that will not only help you shed those pesky pounds, but will also tantalize your taste buds. Stay tuned, because we're about to redefine diet food. You don't want to miss out on this. Looking for tasty and healthy recipes that support your weight loss goals? You're in the right place. Welcome to a culinary adventure where we explore 5 delectable yet nutritious dishes designed to support your fitness journey. We understand the importance of enjoying your food while shedding those extra pounds. That's why we've created these easy-to-prepare recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body. Stick around, because these recipes are going to change the way you think about diet food. Kick things off with a protein-packed quinoa salad, a fantastic meal for any time of the day. Start by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. This super grain is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce on their own. Next, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add the quinoa, reduce the heat, and let it simmer until the water is absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, chop a colorful mix of veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. These veggies not only add a vibrant splash of color, but also a variety of nutrients and fiber that aid in digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Once the quinoa is fluffy and cooled, toss it together with your veggies, a handful of fresh herbs, and a drizzle of your favorite light dressing. And there you have it. A simple yet delicious quinoa salad full of flavors and nutrients that support your weight loss journey. Next, delve into a delightful healthy chicken stir-fry. This vibrant dish is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. It starts with lean chicken breast, a great source of protein that helps build and repair body tissues. Then comes a colorful array of veggies, each one packed with an array of vitamins and minerals. Broccoli, for instance, is high in fiber and vitamin C, while bell peppers add a sweet crunch and a dose of vitamin A. To create this culinary delight, start by sautéing the chicken until it's golden brown. Then toss in your vegetables and stir-fry until they're tender crisp. A splash of low-sodium soy sauce adds a savory depth without piling on the calories. Finally, a sprinkle of sesame seeds offers a nutty crunch and a boost of calcium. The result? A meal that's not just filling, but also a treat for your taste buds. Now, let's move over to our heart-healthy baked salmon with veggies. First off, we'll need a fresh salmon fillet brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Accompanying our salmon, we'll have a vibrant medley of veggies such as bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. These veggies are packed with vitamins and fiber, perfect for those looking to keep their meals low in calories but high in nutrition. To start, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven is warming up, season your salmon and veggies with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs. Place your salmon in the center of a baking sheet, surrounded by your colorful veggies. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until the salmon is cooked to your liking and the vegetables are tender. And there you have it, a simple, nutritious dish that's as flavorful as it is healthy. A meal that's as good for your heart as it is for your waistline. So there you have it. 3 delicious, healthy recipes that can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. We kicked things off with a vibrant quinoa salad, a protein-packed powerhouse that's as tasty as it is nutritious. Next, we whipped up a healthy chicken stir-fry, a dish that beautifully melds lean protein with a rainbow of veggies for a satisfying, low-calorie meal. Lastly, we savored the delicate flavors of baked salmon and veggies, a heart-healthy option that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and essential vitamins. Each of these recipes serves as a testament to the fact that eating well doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be a delightful, delicious journey. As we've seen, these meals combine essential nutrients, striking a balance that fuels your body while supporting your weight loss efforts. But remember, this is just the tip of the culinary iceberg. There's a whole world of delicious, nutritious meals out there waiting for you to discover. We encourage you to try these recipes at home, get creative, and make them your own. Share your experiences, your tweaks, your triumphs. After all, the road to a healthier lifestyle is so much more rewarding when we travel it together. Remember, weight loss isn't about depriving yourself. It's about finding delicious, nutritious ways to fuel your body. Eat well, live well, and enjoy the journey. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed these recipes and are eager to explore more, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to us and helps us bring more delicious and healthy recipes your way. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll be the first to know when we've cooked up something new. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep cooking. Remember, your kitchen is your playground, so have fun and let your culinary creativity run wild. Until next time, happy cooking.